everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build your very own STLR snapshot. For those of you who are unaware as to what a STLR snapshot is exactly, a STLR snapshot serves as a secondary transcript that records all of your previous STLR credits and experiences that you've earned throughout your years at UCO. A STLR snapshot can be very beneficial for those of you applying for scholarships or job applications, even graduate school. Your potential employers would find a bunch of these attributes very viable within many competitive fields. So with that, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is type in stellarsnapshot.uco.edu into your browser search bar. And then you're going to want to type in your credentials, your username and password, and it should log you straight into the STLR Snapshot interactive dashboard. And this is where all of your STLR tenets are going to be listed. We can see a bunch of arrows, and they all symbolize a STLR credit. So what we would do is go to this little drop-down menu and pick which order we would want these tenets to appear in. Because Research, Creative, and Scholarly Activities has 44 total credits, I will list that as number 1. And then Health and Wellness comes second, and so on. We would order them the way we would want to customize our page. The next thing you're going to want to do is view your experiences by clicking on the View Experiences tab. And this will take you to a secondary page that shows you all of the individual experiences that you have attended. You can make these experiences appear on your printed STLR snapshot for your employers to see. Once you have customized that list to your liking, you can hit the Save and Return to All Tenets tab, and it will take you back to the interactive dashboard. You can continue to do this with as many tenets and as many experiences as you like until you are satisfied with the snapshot's appearance. Lastly, you're going to want to type in a title for your STLR snapshot, so when you save it, you will be able to see which version is the most current one you have saved, because you can save multiple different versions to keep track of where you were at during each semester of your college experience. And you have choices to delete your snapshot, you can edit it, or if you would like to print it out or save the STLR snapshot as a PDF, you would simply hit this View tab and it will automatically save it onto your computer. And once you have all of those steps completed, this is how your STLR snapshot would appear. We have all of the tenets listed in the order that we have customized them in. We have the events listed that we have made accessible. And below your student transformative learning record, it lists the different levels of exposure, integration, and transformation, and what those levels mean. And that concludes the STLR Snapshot tutorial. If any of you have any questions or concerns, please don't be afraid to comment or reach out to the STLR department. We would be very glad to help you figure out any issues that you might be having or provide any answers that we can give. I realize that many of you might have concerns regarding past STLR experiences that have not been recorded, and this is most likely due to the surge of technical difficulties on campus due to the pandemic. There's a ton of stuff going on right now. And our best advice would be to create an IT ticket for them to provide their services and help you get those recorded as soon as possible. I hope this tutorial has been very helpful and that you've had a good learning experience from this.